Hey, what's up, y'all? It's day 7, lucky number 7, and we are continuing with the JavaScript course, and we're gonna do the exercises to lesson 13. So let's begin. When adding to the product cart, instead of increasing the quantity by 1, we will increase the quantity by the number in the selector. The HTML element for a drop-down selector is select. Use Control F to find this in the code. So we're gonna go to scripts, select. Okay, when generating the HTML, add a value class to select to identify which product the dropdown is for. So class equal js dash quantity dash selector dash dollar brackets product.id product.id. Okay, quantity selector. Add a unique class to select to identify which product the dropdown is for. JS quantity selector product ID. Okay. When clicking add to the add to cart button, use the DOM to get the quantity selector, the select element for the product. Hint, use document.query selector quantity selector product ID. Okay, so when clicking add cart button, use the thumb to get the quantity selector, the select element, the quantity selector, use document.query selector. Okay, so when clicking button.add event listener, click. So we want document.query selector js.js dash. Okay, how do I do this? Product ID selector. Use to get the. Okay, I don't know how to do this. When clicking the add to the cart button, use the DOM to get the quantity selector, the select element for a product. Hint, use document query selector quantity selector. Use the DOM to get the quantity selector for a product. Use document query selector product ID. Product. Oh, okay. So JS dash quantity dash selector dash we need backticks like this dash product ID like this. Add button console dialog. Let's see. Um, Maybe this. Get this. Open the terminal. Click. Okay. click, click. Okay, they're different. Get the value selected in the quantity selector. To get the value, we can use dot to get the value out of a select element. You can use the property dot value dot. So right, so here, oops, come on, dot value, click, let's do 3. Okay. When updating the cart, instead of using a quantity of 1 every time, use the quantity we got from Il13D hint. In order for the math to work properly, convert the value from 13D to a number first, using a number since values we get from the DOM are strings by default. Okay, so um when instead of using a quantity every time, we want the quantity. Okay, so let product quantity equal this dot value, and all of this is going to be inside a number. So we're gonna delete this and get this. We're gonna paste it here. When updating the card, instead of using quantity of 1 every time, use the quantity that we got from 13D. Okay, quantity product quantity hint. In order for the math to work properly, convert the value from 13D into a number first using the number. Okay, so let's see now. Let's say we want 4 of these. Okay, okay, so we can get rid of this. Can we get rid of this? Let's see if we can get rid of this. Card quantity is undefined. Okay, we can't. So this is card quantity plus equals product quantity, product quantity. So like this. Plus equals item dot product quantity. Okay, what am I doing wrong? Select a quantity other than 1 and click add to cart. The quantity selector should now work. Check check the changes for 13A to 13E and check the change. When updating the card, instead of using a quantity of 1 every time, use the quantity plus equals item dot quantity, card quantity. So card for each item, card quantity plus equal item quantity. When updating the card, instead of using a quantity of 1 every time, use the quantity that we got from 13D. Okay. Um, let's see 13D. B city. Okay. So cart quantity equals 0 for each item in an HTML cart quantity. So let's say we had 4 add carts. We want this to be product quantity matching item dot quantity plus equals product quantity. Product quantity. So if we add 4 and add 4 again, yep, add 10, 10, 2, okay. I think we did that. Select a quantity other than 1 and click add to cart. The quantity selector should work now. Check the changes for 13 in Git and commit the changes. Add select quantity for each product in cart. I don't know what to call this. Okay. For the rest of the exercise, I'm going to change it to get after finishing. We will add some more products to the page. Inside data products, add some more objects to the array. For the ID, use any ID that you want, like ID1, ID2. Just make sure it's unique. For the image, I've provided images products backpack JPEG and images products umbrella JPEG. You will find an image yourself online. For the name, rating, and price sense, use any values you want. We will review some JavaScript shortcuts we can use. In Amazon.js, search for the code counts product and use the instruction shortcut to simplify it. The shortcut push in use shorthand property in 2 lines below this code. In 2 lines below this code. Okay, so we need to go to data products, go all the way down, new object ID1, images slash products slash backpack dot jpg. So rating stars 5, count, let's say maybe 49 or 13. Let's do 13. Name black rucksack price cents 10.99. Needs to be a string. Okay, and we can add to cart. Okay, Reddit images. Okay, so let's just copy this. Let's do ID 2. Umbrella .jpg, black umbrella, let's say 49, 4.5, price, let's say 15. Okay, okay, okay. For naming prices, use any values you want. Okay, we did that. Guessing we can close this. We'll review some JavaScript shortcuts we can use. In Amazon JS, search for the code const product ID equals button that data set the product ID, and use this destruction shortcut to simplify it. Okay, let's see how to do this. How to simplify this JS code with destructuring in the structure from dataset. Button.dataset, okay. Okay, search cart push, use a shorthand on these in the two lines. So let product quantity. So it's gonna be product ID and product quantity. Product quantity. Okay, why does this not work? Product ID, item, um, product quantity. Where is the error? Property name mismatch. Product quantity. You're mixing quantity and product quantity as if they're the same thing. Quantity. I don't have any quantity. Oh wait, maybe. Um, matching item dot quantity dot product quantity, and now there we go. There we go. Needs to be cart quantity quantity. Okay, I fixed it. Go like this, go like this, go like this. Okay, there we go. We'll create the added message on the right. We'll create the added message on the right. The HTML element for this already exists. Set it to cart. However, in the CSS, this element has opacity 0. It's invisible. Add a unique class to this element like we did in exercise 13b to identify which product it is for. So we can do add a unique element class to this element like we did in exercise 13b. So we're gonna add JS add to cart dash product.id id. When clicking the add button, use the DOM to get the added message element for the product. Get the added message element for the product. So this is added dash to dash cart js dash added dash to dash cart. So add a unique element to this like we did in exercise. Okay, wait, not here, but not here. It meant here, right here. JS added to cart. We can add to cart, use the DOM to get the added message element for the product. Console.log document.query selector .js.add it to cart. Okay. Add a class to the message element using crosslist.add, then installs Amazon style this class to it so it has opacity 1. Styles Amazon CSS is visible, opacity 1. Add a class to the message. So document dot dot class list dot add is visible. Add a class list, then it style it so has opacity 1. Style so have add a class to message element using classes.add. Styles, pages, Amazon CSS, yes. So why is it not working? Why is it not working? Hmm. Okay, guys, so we fixed the issue. So basically, what I was doing is I had a JS added to cart class, which basically is the same for all of the products, and I didn't have a unique product ID, and then I just added the product ID for each um, for each for each product, and now when we click, we can see that the added message is being shown. So yeah, okay, next. And these are the last ones. After 2 seconds, you set timeout. Make the message disappear by removing the class. Okay, I need to do JavaScript set timeout because I kind of forgot it. Set timeout. So this document dot query selector dot 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 class list dot to remove is visible 2 seconds. Boom. 1, 2. There we go. 1, 2. There we go. Okay. If we click add to cart, wait 1 to 1.5 seconds and click again, the message disappears quickly since the previous set timeout is still running and will make the message disappear soon. Modify the code so when we click add to cart, it refreshes the 2 second wait time, waits 2 seconds again, and message disappears. Hint, you can cancel the previous set timeout using clear timeout. Okay, this is the same thing from the last um the last the last lesson, I think. So I don't remember which exercise it was though. I don't remember which exercise. Or it's lesson 11. Okay, I don't remember how to do this. Hint. Hmm. Wait 1 to 25 seconds. Click again. The message appears quickly. So when we click add to cart, it refreshes the 2 seconds. Okay, bro, I don't know how to do this. Hold up. Hold up, guys. Okay, y'all, so I think I found the code right here. The timeout ID. Clear timeout ID. So let timeout ID. We're gonna do let timeout ID. And then we're gonna do um clear timeout ID, and then timeout ID equals this, and then is that gonna work? I don't know. Two. Okay, it isn't working, but it is not working. It is not working. Okay, guys, that is going to be it for today. Um, Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe. I think I forgot to say it in the beginning. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me. All links in the description. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Have a good one.